Hi, I'm Anthony Holland. I'm head of pre-sales here at ANS. In this video, we're going to modify a virtual machine on eCloudVPC. So I'm here with my list of different instances. This is my test virtual machine. I'm going to click on this one. And as I go into the summary screen, I can see all of the details about this individual virtual machine or instance. I can also make some tweaks and changes from a power perspective, powering it on, power it off. I can restart it, I can shut it down as well. And importantly, I can also go back later and encrypt the virtual machine should I wish to. This is really powerful. I can clone it to an image. So let's say, for example, it's a web server and I've got it to the absolute perfect state. It's running my application and everything's going really, really well. I can now clone it and create an image from it. Now, the result of that is that I could then use that image to create more virtual machines later on. And for things like DevOps, etc., that gives me a lot of control over the solution. There's a few other things I can do here as well. So I can add shared storage to it. I can change its IP address. I can add a new network connection to it if I need to. And then obviously I've got the option to update instance down the bottom here as well. So as I make a change, I can then click the update instance button here. I think importantly though, there are an awful lot of other valuable tools within this, such as the resize screen here. And I can add on the fly more CPU sockets, I can add more cores to each socket, and I can add more RAM into it as well. And the big value here is that I don't have to reboot my virtual machine if I'm going up. I can add more resource, I can scale it upwards without needing to reboot the virtual machine. If I do go down, I will need to reboot it for that change to take effect. As you can see here, you can also add additional volumes if you wish as well. And then finally, I can also migrate my virtual machine onto the high CPU tier as well. So I've got the option to start on standard, and if I've got performance issues or if I'm coming to Black Friday or something like that, I've got the ability to jump it onto a higher CPU tier where I'm going to get more gigahertz per core essentially. And again, I'm going to be able to control all of that from within this screen too. And that's it.